If you love soft spring colors and layered farmhouse details, you are going to love this month's Creativity Club project. If you're new here, I'm Carrie with a pinch of salt, and every month inside my Creativity Club, we create exclusive DIY home decor together. Let me show you what we're making for February. So this month, we are creating this window pane scene for spring. It comes with a flower pot, an umbrella, and rain boots. As you can see, I painted the window with an off-white color, and then I'm going to do the stand in like a light brown color. There are a lot of little pieces in your bag. Sorry about that, but that's what makes this so cute. There is no right or wrong way on how you place your little flowers. I promise you that. There's about, I don't remember how many I have in each bag, but there should be at least one piece of each thing, but it's so hard to try to keep all that straight. I just put in what I thought that you guys would need, and then let you create what you want. So you are going to paint your window, and then you're going to paint the pieces, like I said, the umbrella, the rain boot, and the pitcher. And then you're going to layer the small flowers on top of it, and then it just sets into the stand. My color choices are all listed on the sheet, but you can choose whatever colors you'd like. This is just a suggestion. I'd love to see what you make, and I can't wait to see how you share it to the group. Remember, don't post your photos just yet. We want to wait till everybody receives their box. I still have a few more that need to be picked up, and some boxes were just shipped out this past couple days. So just give me a few days. I usually wait about a week until I let you guys share your photos. And remember, every time you share your photos, you're able to get a piece of happy mail in your box the next month. Next month is March. It's my birthday celebration, so we've got something big coming. So make sure that you are watching the page, my Facebook page, and our private group for that, because I have a giveaway I'm doing for all the creatives in my club, plus new members and referring your friends. So stay tuned for that. I just put out our spring collection a few weeks ago, and our St. Patrick's Day collection will go out on Monday. So keep an eye out for that too. I hope you guys enjoy creating your kit, and always enjoy the surprises you get each month. Stay tuned for next month. It's going to be absolutely adorable. I've already got it ready to go for you guys, and I will see you soon.